Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Taurus placements. This is your love reading. Okay, ngayong April, pagdating sa person na iniisip mo. Okay, so, yeah, the person on your mind. Pero syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? And, yeah. Ano pa ba? O, diba? Nalito ako bigla. Tanong pagdating sa ating mga items. O, diba? Lahat naman i-available. Pero yung ating granter necklace is made to order po. Okay? So, again, yeah, let's start the reading. Agad-agad. Bakit ganito? Now, confused ako. Taurus. What happened? What's happening? Taurus. Let's see. Who is this person? Anong meron? Taurus, anong meron? Share mo naman. Oo, tingnan natin nang magawa natin ng paraan kahit papano. Sino to? Oo, the Nine of Swords. Ay, ano yan? Okay, the Nine of Swords. So, iniisip-isip mo tong taong to. Oo nga, lutang minsan. Lutang ka minsan, kakaisip dito. Yes, pinaiyak ka nito. Oo, nako. Anong meron sa Nine of Swords? The Knight of Cups. Ay. The Emperor in reverse. Some of you, meron kayong age gap. Age difference. Okay. At gap rin pagdating sa, sabihin nating, emosyon. Okay. Yeah, this person is charming. Yeah, they're charming. Mga pababae, mga palalaki ka naman ang gender niya. They're charming. You like this person. You want them. Pero, yeah, they're keeping you awake at night. Thinking about them. Bakit? Maybe they're acting like immature. Some of them, maybe they're inconsistent. Eight of Swords. Oh my God. Nine of Swords. Eight of Swords. Ang dami mong dilulo sa taong to, siguro. Yeah. You're jealous. Some of you are overthinking. Yes. Pero hindi ka naman mag-overthink, no? Pagdating sa kanya, if ever, kung wala naman siyang ginagawang nakakapag-overthink, no? Let's see. Okay, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, thank you sa mga nagla-like. Yes. Okay. So, Taurus, ano bang kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon? Ano ang kailangan mong malaman, Taurus? The Knight of Swords, yeah, inconsistent. Anong meron? Oops. Oh, the Ace of Swords. You don't trust this person, aren't you? Yeah. Your intuition is kicking in. Yes. Your intuition mo, no, kung masasabunutan ka, nasabunutan ka na. Oh, yung kaluluwa mo, kung nakakalabas man sa katawan mo, nasabunutan ka na. Diba? About this person. O kaya, tigilan mo! Tigilan mo mag-isip ng ganyan, whatsoever. Yes. About the situation, meron kang mga hindi alam, I guess. The Knight of Swords in reverse. The Ace of Swords in reverse. Inconsistent rin kasi itong taong to pagdating sa messages. Yes! Yung iba sa kanila, ang tagal mag-reply. Nakakadilulo, nakaka-overthink. Bakit kaya? Bakit kaya ganun? Ang tagal niya mag-reply. Oh my God. The Knight of Wands. Oh my. Dito na tayo. Nag-iisip na iba dito na, ay, baka meron siyang kausap na iba. Ay, baka meron siyang kakonect na iba. You don't trust them. You don't trust them. You don't trust them. Let's see. Sa bagay, hindi ka rin naman kasi magiging ganito magagaganyan. Oo, hindi ka magagaganyan kung sa tingin mo napaka-open niya, no? Oo. So emotion, strength. What's with that strength? Two of Wands in reversed. Reversed is blockage. Alam nyo, itong taong to, pwede naman siya maging open sa'yo Pero, hindi lang niya ginagawa. The moon. Para kang isip ng isip talaga sa taong to. Itong taong to, parang malaking question mark pagdating sa'yo, no? Siya yung question mark na nagkaroon ng paa. Yes. Okay, temperance. You're being patient. Sa kanya, actually. Some of you, iniisip mo na itong taong to is talagang nakokontrol ka. Kasi pwedeng napapaniwala ka niya. If ever, magre-reply na, ganto ganyan. Kaunting lang. Sabihin natin, kumusta ka? Ay, sorry. Ayan, balik ulit. Let's see. Taurus. Alam nyo, itong taong to, very entertaining other person, other people, other energies. They are. Okay? They are really entertaining other energies. Knight of Swords, Knight of Cups, Knight of Wands in reverse, they are. Some of them, they're still looking. Okay, for makaka-connect. Some of you, you're still on talking stage. Parang nasa talking stage or sabihin nating umpisa pa lang ng connection. Pero medyo gumigewang-gewang na. Okay? You're attached. You're attached. You're sensitive, Taurus. Alam mo kung ikaw ay niloloko or what. So, follow your intuition. Yeah. Follow your intuition. There's these blockages. Some of you, universe is giving you signs. Pero, ayaw mong tingnan. Let's see what is their next action. Their next action. The Eight of Pentacles. Hindi maganda ang ang takbo ng komunikasyon sa inyo, no? Some of you. Madalas pwedeng iniiwan ka nito sa ere. Mga ganyang bagay. Mawawala ng ilang araw tapos magre-reply ulit. Magcha-chat ulit. Something like that. So, Eight of Pentacles and the Devil. So, they will hook you. They will try to hook you. They will try to sabihin nating ma-attach ka sa kanya. They will breadcrumb you. They will love bomb you. They will. Okay, this is a liar. Gusto nyo pang marinig? This is a liar. A big liar. Taurus. The King of Swords in reverse. Somebody who tells lies. Somebody who's not genuine. Okay? The Three of Swords. Pwede kang masaktan dito sa taong to. Yeah. Bakit mo hinahayaan na masaktan ka, Taurus? Ba't hinahayaan mo silang saktan ka? Yun ang tanong ko sa'yo. Kasi na-attach na po ako, madam. Well, yeah. Normal lang yan sa atin. Pero, ang isa ko pang tanong, Bakit pinipili mo magstay pa? Kung hindi na healthy, kung stress na yun na ibibigay sa'yo. Baka po kasi sakaling may ginagawa lang talaga siya. Diba? Stop it. Stop. Let's see the potential outcome. The potential outcome ninyo ng taong ito. Let's see. Eight of Swords. The what? Pagiging stuck. Okay? Pag-overthink. Ano na kaya ang meron? Oh, kung mag-stay ka. Kung mag-stay ka, ganyan talaga. Okay? They will try to hook you. Again. Hook. Yeah. Alam ng taong to kung paano ka kukunin muli. Kung paano ka ma-attach muli. Don't let them. Don't let them. Please. See? The Page of Pentacles. Hindi ka nito bibigyan ng clarity, Taurus. Kaya ka ganito, unang-unang card mo. The Nine of Swords. Paaasahin ka nito, Taurus. Paaasahin ka. Ha? Gusto ng taong to, attention. They're an attention seeker, sa totoo lang. Gusto nila lahat sa kanila. Okay? Hindi malabo sa taong to na marami siyang kakonect. Kasi binibigyan siya ng what? Mga kailangan niya. And ikaw nakakapag-provide ka rin ng something para sa taong to. So, hindi ka nito hahayaan na mawala. Hindi siya consistent. May stress ka dito, Taurus. Pa-assign ka sa bagong panimula. Pa-assign ka niyan. Wala yang sasagutin pagdating sa mga tanong mo, wala yang clarity ibibigay sa'yo. May sasagot man, pero sa tingin mo hindi ka panipaniwala. Okay? Papaasahin ka. Hashtag papaasahin. Ha? Okay? So, wag. O, diba? Wag mahayaan. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs, Aries through Pisces. Let's see. The zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Aries. Hindi pa sila nakaka-move on. Taurus. There's this energy about separation. Mourning. Yeah, some of you. Itong si Taurus. Mourning. May pangungulila ako nakukuha. Gemini. They want to build a strong connection with you. Nakakita siya ng long-term connection with you. Stability, maybe. Cancer. Okay, so they're confused, indecisive. There's these secrets, lies. Leo. Some of you may chance na pwedeng Leo ang maging new person mo. If this is a past person, they want a new beginning. They want another chance with you. Virgo. They're waiting for you. Libra. They like you. Yeah. They have a crush on you. Scorpio. They are like hanging. Thinking of you. They want to approach you, I think. Sagittarius, they're stalking you. Keeping tabs on you. Capricorn, they want improvement. They want progress. There's this energy of, sabihin nating, gandang-ganda, poging-pogi sa'yo itong taong to, or vice versa, or flip. Aquarius, they want a strong connection with you. There's this energy of soul recognition, soul ties with this Aquarius. Pisces, okay, they're juggler. Pero this time, parang meron siyang gustong piliin. Okay? Yeah, meron siyang gusto ng piliin. Kung sino man, I don't know. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Taurus placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yeah, don't forget rin yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Nasa description box below ang atin pong link. And ano pa ba? Yeah, yun lamang. Again, thank you. Goodbye.